Cancer exposed, everyday triggers and life-saving natural plus medical solutions. Cancer. A word that instantly sparks fear in the hearts of millions. But what if I told you that many of the everyday things we eat, drink, breathe, and even think about could be silently fueling cancer inside our bodies? Today, we are exposing the hidden triggers that increase your cancer risk and revealing the natural and medical solutions that can help you fight back. This could save your life or the life of someone you love, so stay tuned. Before we dive into causes and solutions, let's understand what cancer actually is. Cancer isn't just one disease, it's over 100 different types of diseases, all caused by cells growing uncontrollably, ignoring the body's natural rules. Healthy cells grow, divide, and die when they're supposed to. Cancer cells? They grow like rebels, spreading and hijacking resources, forming tumors, and sometimes invading other organs. And here's the shocking truth: while genetics play a role, up to 70% of cancers are linked to lifestyle and environment. That means there's so much we can do to prevent it. Processed and red meat overload. Daily consumption of processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, and bacon has been classified by the World Health Organization as carcinogenic. Why? Because nitrates and preservatives in these meats increase the risk of colorectal and stomach cancers. Excessive sugar and refined carbs. Cancer cells feed on glucose. Diets high in sugary drinks, pastries, and refined carbs don't just cause diabetes, they create the perfect environment for cancer to thrive. Smoking and secondhand smoke. Still one of the leading causes of lung cancer and linked to cancers of the throat, bladder, pancreas, and more. Even if you don't smoke, secondhand exposure can silently damage DNA. Alcohol consumption. Moderate to heavy drinking increases risks for liver, breast, and esophageal cancer. Alcohol converts to acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical that damages DNA and prevents cell repair. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of movement increases obesity, hormone imbalances, and chronic inflammation, all linked to cancers such as breast and colon. Chronic stress and sleep deprivation. High cortisol levels from stress and poor sleep weaken the immune system, which normally kills cancerous cells before they spread. Environmental toxins. From polluted air and contaminated water to household chemicals and pesticides, these toxins accumulate over years, increasing cancer risk. UV radiation from sun and devices. Prolonged unprotected exposure to sunlight and tanning beds leads to skin cancers like melanoma. Even blue light exposure may add long-term cellular stress. Obesity and poor diet. Obesity fuels hormonal changes like excess estrogen, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation, which are strong cancer promoters. Viral infections. Certain viruses like HPV, human papillomavirus, and hepatitis B and C are linked to cervical and liver cancers. Prevention through vaccines and early treatment is key. Here's the good news: while the triggers are many, so are the solutions. Science shows that small, consistent lifestyle changes can drastically reduce cancer risk. Eat a cancer-fighting diet. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, and cabbage contain sulforaphane, a compound that kills cancer cells. Berries, turmeric, garlic, and green tea are rich in antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish reduce inflammation. Stay active. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week lowers colon, breast, and prostate cancer risks. Movement boosts circulation, immunity, and hormone balance. Maintain a healthy weight. Keep BMI in check, reduce belly fat, and balance hormones naturally. Detox your environment. Switch to natural cleaning products, filter your drinking water, and reduce plastic use to cut exposure to toxins. Stress management. Meditation, prayer, yoga, journaling, or simply deep breathing. A calm mind supports a strong immune system. Adequate sleep. 7 to 9 hours restores DNA, reduces inflammation, and strengthens immune defenses. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol drastically cuts cancer risk even after years of use. Sun safety. Protect your skin with sunscreen, clothing, and shade. But don't avoid the sun completely. Short exposure boosts vitamin D, which protects against cancers. Regular screening. Mammograms, colonoscopies, pap smears, and other tests catch cancer in its earliest, most treatable stages. Medical breakthroughs and treatments. When natural prevention isn't enough, modern medicine steps in. And the progress in recent decades has been incredible. Surgery and radiation. Still the frontline defense against localized tumors. Chemotherapy. Destroys fast-growing cancer cells, though with side effects. Targeted therapy. Drugs designed to attack specific genetic mutations in cancer cells, leaving healthy cells mostly intact. Immunotherapy. A groundbreaking approach that empowers your own immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Hormone therapy. Used for cancers like breast and prostate, it starts tumors of the hormones they depend on. Clinical trials. Thousands of trials are ongoing, testing new drugs, vaccines, and combinations that may one day cure cancers once thought impossible to treat. Hope and call to action. The fight against cancer is personal. Whether it's prevention, natural support, or medical treatment, every choice you make matters. Start today, eat better, move more, detox your environment, manage stress, and stay proactive with screenings. And if you're already battling cancer, know this, there is hope. Science and nature are working together like never before. Cancer is not a death sentence, it's a call to action. Share this video with someone you love. Knowledge saves lives. And remember, your health is your wealth. Protect it daily.